What's going on, Unstoppable family? So people, the dancehall soap opera continues again, and this week it is absolutely no different than any of the other dancehall soap opera series when we bring on before. Now this week it is starring none other than the dancer we call himself Marvin the Beast, and the brother we sound a little bit like Alkaline, who go by the name of Gold God. Also in this very same video, people may have another new leaked voice note surrounding the whole rifle incident. Boy, people, is like this whole saga just will not end. That and more coming right up.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. No, unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If you are not yet a part of the Unstoppable family, please consider clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once you upload a video, you will get that alert. So people, as me explained to you before, Marvin the Beast name is all about social media again. And this time is because the brother when named Gold God put him dirty laundry out a door to the public. So people, it is alleged that Marvin the Beast did a catch with Gold God and asleep on floor and asleep on couch. And who put out the man dirty laundry? None other than the brother when named Gold God. But people, don't just take it from me. Me I gonna make you see what Gold God do exactly.
Yes, people. This is Gold God. Yeah, I'm gonna stay up on the lookout for these two fugitives, these two Batman that walking around right now, looking somewhere to catch somebody hard to live. As I say, or should I say, catch on them couch. One go by the name of Marvin the Beast, and one Money Beast. Yeah, two suspects now is traveling with two rubbish bag of clothes, which formerly known as them bed. We have surveillance footage right here now because them don't own a bed. Yeah, traveling in a rental or maybe a taxi because that's all them do. Them don't own a car. 40-year-old and one 30-year-old don't own nothing in them life yet. See there, we have footage of them leaving my house with some garbage bag. Yes, now these suspects now, them don't own nothing. Them nasty. You see what I say? Couch. Look out for them come sleep on the couch. And them a sleep man. The room seems just fuck around them out there. You see what I say? Nasty people. So if you don't like on the couch, don't let them in. Because they might come sleep on the couch and stink up on the house. Because they are some nasty people. Yes, so see there? Footage. Live footage of these two fugitives. You see me say we don't own nothing in them life. You see me say leaving the house. Two nasty set of people then. So just be on the lookout for them. Yeah, and Gold God talk. I don't know say Gold God talk. And it's a facts. I don't know say Gold God talk. I know in a mix up. But yeah, them two people they are some dirty set of people. Yeah, people, so look out for them. Gold God say badness. Chat. One chat.
So viewers, it's never a good thing to make a bad thing make laugh, But you don't know, so when Facebook hero get involved, sometimes you just have to laugh because Facebook hero take every opportunity him get for troll Marvin the Beast. Can you remember from the little incident there between Marvin and Facebook hero? Yes, every chance Facebook hero get for troll Marvin, him always troll him. So Facebook hero couldn't make the opportunity a pass up and him no drop in for him input. Watch the video here.
Well, one people, know it's Gold God. I just want to be looking for the two fugitives. Right now we are talking for the people in place. Go by the name of Marvin Beast and Money Beast. One at 40 and one at 39. People, me invite them in my place. We just cast drama on the know that. Look at this on the camera. Look at that. That's them throwing out and putting them out my house. Look at the camera. Yeah. That's where they have a problem outside, him and his brother. Still a tear off in Marina. They have an altercation out the door. They have two fugitives. Yeah, they have an altercation outside. Yes. Well, people, I just want to show you, say, alright, I saw them sleep. Them think of shit, them not bad. You know, I don't really do them think about them think, man. Them think of shit, man. Look at them asleep. And they tear off the marina every day.
People, me tell them this a Facebook era always know how to put a little bit of humor in anything. Anyway, people, we are going to move away from this little bit, just for a little bit, and then we are going to make you know, hear the voice note to me talk about that infamous voice note about rifle incident where this lady talk about a bunch of things now, boy, me I tell you, we don't hear one voice note already, now another voice note out again, we just, boy, you hear me, I go stop talk. Listen to the voice note, and then we are going to make you know, hear Marvin the Beast side of the story. See it?
Yes, my son, me no know how to put it up on Facebook and how to advertise it loud. Yes, the whole bumbo clad that town down at Jamaica called dirty ghetto stinking evil demons, you know. Well, I wanna sit down where talk here, there and here about this and that and this and that. And I come look for my fucking son them who no kill my son, but justice I go prevail. I mean I want my son them do nothing to no we see what happened to the whole of no. If dirty rifle son and him dirty gangster friend them never gang up on my stepson and stab him and kill him, all of this will come fucking about. So no say the finger now say look here, it has say look there, no dirty junk on a nasty sniper, una sniper, una when get sniper and none of my son them sniper on a ass. Because there's a higher power where higher down when him snipe, nobody now can chat to God when him do what him do. I got me serving me no serve man. You think me believe in a man on a dirty that no one me them on a dirty nasty evil junk on a evil demon and evil spirit. When rifle son and him gangster friend them decide to gang up and pull and stab him on a dirty nasty junk the whole uno no see that. Uno no see say it rifle son and him friend them take a innocent life with them nothing to do with nothing because them too hype and show off and dirty and evil. I bet you no see that. But when I don't come try come talk about and me lose my opinion dead and gone, but justice I go fucking prevail. You understand? Me no need the whole of Jamaica bomber clad police and soldier them. Me I go get my fucking just reward for every evil demon. You hear? Because me have who for fight evil and demons for me. You understand? Evil people and demons me have who for fight it for me. And that no one the whole of them for know. Nobody now see say rifle and him dirty gangster friend them gang up my stepson and murder him and stab him innocently and gone where everybody around them mangy dirty slimy dirty junk or nasty mouth.
So people there's a saying that goes either keep it his mouth, keep it his me not have nothing for add on and nothing for take away. But you can comment down in the comment section and tell me what you think about that. You understand? Alright, moving away from that right now, people may go make on hear Marvin the Beast side of the story, because to every story there's the lie, the truth, and the kind of truth where, you know, if you not go so, it close to go so. So make we hear Marvin the Beast side, no?
Everybody make up and pay the rent, which me never know. Me think it was one person pay the rent for me, so I me get the money on my forward. So, dog link me and my boy Money Beast. And I help dog them and Money Beast kick off because of the whole thing. Because Money Beast, him say Money Beast when no say everybody make up and pay the rent. And Money Beast make it look like him alone. See? Because him alone me say what such to come. Like me forward Tuesday and me end up forward Friday. So Tuesday when everybody look for see me if you get their money, nobody never see me if you get their money. See? So the thing is that me call dog and I say, yo dog, you know say, me not forward Tuesday, me forward Friday. See, so the rest next 2 months them don't know what go on. Cause dog, them like it, them know say, yo dog, I say not forward Tuesday, I'm forward Friday, you know, forget the whole, you know, thing good. See? Remember me not talk for the mix up, you know, and this and that. So all who want mix up. Me just make gonna get the full story of what go on. You understand me? This is not about mix up or nothing. So, dog them, I'm forward now Friday. Dog them link me. I have US. I never have no Jamaican money. I have US. So, the night dog link me and say, yo dog, you see, if on Tuesday I go sort out the thing over there. So maybe the youth now think me forward for on Tuesday. Because him see me Friday and him think if on Tuesday I'm forward and me never run the money. So I say, no dog, I told them forward, you know. So that was the whole thing. So I say, but me never know say you forget the food, you forget food. Cause me think when DJ alone pay the food for me. See? And the man I say, and then now DJ say, so Money Beast never know say, I never me alone. Cause Money Beast when there, one time the whole thing start out and true. As me say people me talk a facts, me talking, me not talk nothing. For nobody, feel sound like me tell a lie for nobody or nothing. You understand me? And you don't know. The dog I say, so Money Beast now, Money Beast, I say, bad man, listen me, bad man. At the end of the day, me never reach no way, you know. So me know no man come to me in an argument, you know, brother. See, I feel I'm Marvin thing because him and them have them look a difference, them look a argument. So, you know, through that, you understand me? Yeah, through that, it create look a drama when the dog said that. So it becomes a big argument in the house now. See, because through this, I say, yo, dog, I don't want a man link me about nothing, brother. Because when I deal with Marvin with phone thing, brother, I don't want a man link me. So the dog, I say, yo, but brother, you say you're there the whole way there. You can't, if you know the thing, the man know what is what. See, and you know, then, you know, the dog come out of him room now. Next dog come out of him room now. And start create a big thing about it. And I say, yo, dog, so arguments start from there, so. See, wish. Me as a man now, people, me tell me stay now. I prefer stay out a problem, you know, because I know I have good luck, you know, like right now. If you can see what go on over the whole net. I be a little ray and for nothing at all. Yeah, that's that way. So I look bad. I look bad. You understand me? So things started from this, you know. As me telling you, me, you know, me just hold my corners. So me just go through. Every man I do them thing, me I yell, man, this and that. Me end up a play Alkalite song in the house now. Me there in my room now. Turn up my music, I play an Alkalite song in the house. So, one time he go say to dog, say, brother, you're a talented youth. You don't know you can write music, you can do your thing, but the greatest thing of the day in your own lane. So you need to use your own voice and do your own thing. See? Saying that's what I said to the man in the brother. And from that day, the man hate me. Because me tell the man say you cannot use Alkalite voice, you have to do your own thing. Listen to me, when I talk, facts me talk, me not try to this. No man. Because I don't need for this nobody. Because it not gonna make me better, it not gonna make me worse. You understand me? That's all I said. Brother, do your own thing with your own voice, brother, and think and see everything not gonna shot. Because me tell him that after experience, because remember me and him and Nikisha do a song together. Me going on the street and people hear the song, me I try to promote the song, nobody now want to play, because them I say, yo dog, me Alkalite no problem in a brother. Someone sound like Alkalite, brother, and Alkalite. Everybody first thing for them hear them ask, oh that Alkalite? I say, and them I say, no man an Alkalite this brother. Nobody now want to play the song and them thing there, so you understand me. So you see where me I come from when me tell him that. So me I make him know say Dan in a song good why people them are saying on the street. So just do your own thing. Try to use your own voice and all of that. See? And from that the man against me, the man feel away. Like a style, me style him.
Alright viewers, so you hear it from Marvin the Beast, you get theme side as to where things all started from according to him. Now what I want to do, because you don't know it's about that time, comment in the comment section, give me your views on this, you understand? Tell me who you think I tell the truth, whether a Gold God or Marvin the Beast, you understand? Also more you comment in the comment section as far as it pertains to the voice note where I go around about rifle incident and the little youth and all of that where the woman attack about. You see, watching the man viewers, if you are not yet a part of the Unstoppable family, please consider, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Alright, until next time, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable TV. Oh, and before we go, click the link down in the description and go over there, go subscribe to a live channel where we go live from time to time and address topics like these and many others, and also do giveaways over there too. So you might just get lucky and win. Click the link in the description, click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you're good to go. Watch it, man. No make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable TV. Gone, my gone. See?
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.